Been crucial for my workouts, but also for my development, and I wish I did the work like off. I wish I did my work, my warm-ups before my workouts when I started to train. So if you are new or if you have been training for a while, do your warm-up. They are so important. So we're training lower body today. And as I said in the beginning of the video, we're trying out something new today, which is a new lower body workout from the new Shred guide that is now live in the all new app. So please, I'm telling you, we all know the first Shred guide. This one is, you know how much I like to level up. So this guide is the next level. If you want to try it out, 7 days free trial in the all new app. First exercise is barbell hip thrust. We're gonna do 6 sets times 12 reps and keep the rest time low. So 2 of these 6 sets will be warm-up sets to help you find the weights on what you are pushing with on the 4 working sets.
Bodies, but nothing but silence. Yeah, I'm quiet, but fuck all that shyness. Go crazy, turn this bitch into an asylum. You fly, but we ain't looking for pilots. I never bow down to a tyrant, His Highness. Even Jack said, fuck all them giants. What goes up comes down, man, that's basic science. Look at my iris and you'll see the fines. I'd rather not.
You're doing 12 reps. You should aim for pulse reps instead of like going all the way down and all the way up. So keep pumping those reps all the time.
Barbershop getting lined up. Yeah, your hair good, but your mind fucked. Super damn clear, Uber everywhere. This sound like Superman is here. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? In fact, it's good in a while.
Obviously, when you're doing 12 reps, you can't aim for as high weights as if you would do 6 till 8 reps. So always keep moving, keep the pulse, keep the reps coming. Next exercise is barbell reversed lunges.
Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? Stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot it, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd.
Once again, my hair. I feel like myself again. Even though I like to try out new things, this is me, and it just feels 100%.
Start at the bottom, already forgot it, but they won't forgive me now. You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but still I just look around. Know you with me now, where you with me now?
So obviously, when you're doing high reps, the reps should be, as I said before, you should have a pulse. Like you should keep the reps coming as much as you can until you need to rest. But if you wanna like challenge yourself with the weights and aim 6 till 8 reps, it is okay to to rest more. Instead of keeping the rest time low, you can keep the rest time longer and push for 6 till 8 reps instead. That's totally up to you. I've never gone 70 for reverse lunges.
Room full of bodies, but nothing but silence. Yeah, I'm quiet, but fuck all that shyness. Go crazy, turn this bitch into an asylum. You fly, but we ain't looking for pilots. I never bow down to a tyrant, His Highness. Even Jack said, fuck all them giants. What goes up comes down, man, that's basic science. Look at my iris and you'll see the fines. I'd rather not get involved with you niggas. What's the problem, man? I'll solve all you niggas, huh? How you find when your time up?
Right now, I basically hate myself for putting in leg extension as a third exercise.
Super damn clear, Uber everywhere. This sound like Superman is here. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? In fact, it's good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I
I don't even have any words. Walking lunges. That's the final word.
How you find when your time up? How you climb when your line stuck? Barbershop getting lined up. Yeah, your head good, but your mind fucked. Super damn clear, Uber everywhere. This sound like Superman is here. Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? In fact, it's good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now. Tell me, are you with me now? Ready to put it down. Start at the bottom, already forgot it, but they won't forgive me now.
We're done, and I can barely stand. That was a really, really heavy session. As I said, this workout was from the new Shred guide that is now live in the OnYou app. If you want to try it out, you have 7 days free trial to try out everything and other guides as well. This guide is what you have been requested the most. Because of that, it includes more cardio slash weight loss. But you can also skip the cardio if you don't want to, if you basically don't want to do cardio. You don't have to do cardio. But as this is a guide that you have been requested the most with more cardio and more weight loss, this is it. You have it in a 4-day split and a 5-day split. This workout included only 4 exercises, and sometimes we don't need to chase a lot of variations of the same exercise. Sometimes it's just better to stick with the basis and give it that all you have. Get structure of your workouts. Plan your workouts and plan your rest days, and learn to prioritize your rest days and become the best version of yourself. I see you in my next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.